Okay, so this is what I did to my the power cord on the pump for the swimming pool. I was mowing the lawn and I really busted up, damage it. Okay, so I need the swimming pool running. It's kind of warm here, so I couldn't order anything online because it was going to take a little bit. So I went to Home Depot and I gathered all this stuff, and they have told me how to put this together. Let me back off a little bit. And I bought these ends. I had to cut the sleeve off, same thing here, put it together. And I believe I spent about $13 with this, not expensive at all. This was $3, the cable, 6 foot was 99 cents per foot, and I guess this was $3 each. So I have put it together. Here it looks like I cut a little bit too much, but later on probably I will put the black tape, electrical tape. It looks pretty good. So we'll see if it works. Okay, so I'm already working on this wiring. I took pictures. I always recommend to take pictures, especially when you're working with wiring. I disconnected the pump from the outlet. I have already put the white one on number 6, the black one here, and then I'm gonna complete this one here, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so that looks good there. That looks good there. That looks good here. And perhaps I'll put the cover later. Let's see if this works. All right. Gonna connect it. Okay. Voila. And the pump is working. Woohoo! Success. Yes.